Okay, so what I'm going to do here is show you how to navigate Trailhead if you are studying for your admin certification. So Trailhead is obviously a fantastic resource for sort of getting to grips with things, both a beginner up to an advanced level. If you're getting started, you'd want to come across to Learn. You can find lots of different skills in modules and projects, but if you want to get started with the admin certification, you're best going into Trails, which will combine both modules and projects as well. So I believe the first one that comes up actually is admin beginner. That's probably a best place to actually start. With the roles here, the filter, you can search for admin, click that, and this will show you all of the different trails that they have for this. So get started with them until you feel more comfortable. You've obviously got the community page here. You can put your own posts and activity feeds. You can join groups as well to actually get started, other people that are also doing the admin certification. And then when you feel like you're ready to do the certification, come across to credentials, scroll down to certifications. That will bring up all of the different options, the different roles that you do have. And obviously this one, the first one, Salesforce Administrator. If you click on that, you'll then see all of the different credentials that you can study for. If you click on each individual one, you'll see a bit more information about them, and if you click schedule now, that's where you'll be able to go to actually register for an exam when you feel like you're ready.